Content delivery networks, global content distribution and caching strategies. Accelerating web performance through strategic content placement worldwide. What is a content delivery network? It is a geographically distributed network of proxy servers that cache and deliver web content from locations closest to users. Here's how a content delivery network works. First, a user requests content. Then, the content delivery network finds the nearest server to that user. Finally, the content is delivered from that edge server. The key benefits of using a content delivery network are reduced latency, distributed denial of service or DDoS protection, improved performance, and bandwidth savings. Here are some caching strategies that content delivery networks employ. There is pull-based caching, which means caching occurs on the first request. Then there is push-based caching, which means pre-populating the cache. And finally, smart caching, which uses artificial intelligence or AI-driven predictions. Let's explore the architecture of a content delivery network. It consists of three main components: the origin server, which is the source of truth for the content; edge servers, which are distributed cache nodes; and finally, a load balancer for traffic distribution. Here is an example of how a content delivery network can be implemented in code. First, a comment, simple content delivery network cache logic. Then, a function named get_content, which takes a universal resource locator or URL, and the user's location as arguments. Edge server is equal to find_nearest_server, which takes the user location as an argument. An if condition to check if the edge server has cached the URL. If that is true, return edge server.get_cache, which takes the URL as an argument. Then fetch the content from the origin server. Content is equal to origin_server.fetch, which takes URL as argument. Then cache the content on the edge server. Edge_server.cache, which takes the URL and the content as arguments. And finally, return the content. Here are some popular content delivery network providers that you can use: Cloudflare, Amazon CloudFront, Azure CDN, and Google Cloud CDN. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.